Yo, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a modded version of the Sims FreePlay on your phone, no jailbreak or computer needed. So as you can see there, we have close to millions of money. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it, no jailbreak needed. So let's get right into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get this modded version of the Sims FreePlay on your phone, guys. No jailbreak or computer needed. This is super insane, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's go. Alright, so as you can see in the Sims FreePlay, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So what we need to do, guys, is go to this website, zoomods.com. So once you're on this site, guys, you just want to go to the search bar and type in Zoomods. Alright, so let me just go ahead and do that right here. So once you pull up to this website, gang, we're just going to go to the search bar and type in Sims. And as you can see, guys, it says Sims FreePlay. So just press on this, guys, and it's going to download the modded version. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. It's super insane. I can't even believe this actually works, guys, but it does. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in a future video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, this is super cool. So if you go over to the App Store, guys, as you can see, the Sims FreePlay is super expensive. It's not even worth talking about, guys. So let me show you guys right here. As you can see, if I type in Sims FreePlay, you guys can see how expensive the game is. It's just crazy, bro. So yeah, I don't know why they're so expensive, but I wouldn't encourage spending any money on this game at all, guys. It's just not worth it. But be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. And all you have to do, remember, is go over to Zoomods, and you can download the crazy modded version, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out. It's super insane, and it actually works, guys. So if you enjoyed the Sims FreePlay, I would love to see you have a modded version, which is totally updated, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, and see you guys in another video. This is super insane, and it's totally working. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, but yeah, this is super cool, and it fully works. Doesn't require any computers or anything like that, so it's pretty awesome. If you're a Sims lover, this is just up your alley. So, yeah, I mean, what the heck, bro. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, gang.